I love, the handmade element to these machines, and I love even the custom bikes I do. I've always done kind of older stuff. I don't customize brand new motorcycles. I've always been working with stuff that was made decades before I got my hands on it. And I just started learning about this old stuff and being a mechanic and a real rider. I love the challenge of taking one and giving it life again, because most people don't know how to work on this old stuff and making it usable again. I mean, it's such a rush. I mean, never forget, every time I take one of these bikes out on the track, when I first drop in off that ramp and it fires life and I go down the straightaway, it's like the biggest rush you can imagine. It's like going over the falls on a roller coaster. It's like, man, I'm gonna ride this. I'm gonna probably be the first person to ride this in 100 years.